What's going on, guys? We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna be completing our AC system in our E36 today. We hopped on our trusty Facebook marketplace and we sourced a full AC system from lines, bracket, compressor, dryer. We even got our missing cowl and a few other goodies. First steps, I think we should clean off a bunch of these parts because they are a bit disgusting from the last owner. I'm guessing he had a bit of a oil leak, so let's get these cleaned up.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, I got some engine cleaner and degreaser and a brass wire brush. Let's see how far this takes us.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm gonna take off this texture. It's two 13mm bolts. Three 13mm bolts. Now that we kind of got it all loosened up, we're gonna grab some brake clean and try and get all the gunk off. We got this one pretty much cleaned off. We're gonna let the rest of it soak in degreaser while I go get some brake cleaner. Alright, we are back with the brake clean. Let's get some gloves on and get these things cleaned up. Now that we got these all cleaned up, let's put it all back together and work on cleaning up the compressor. There we have it, our cleaned up compressor bracket. Let's put it on. There we have it. Cleaned up enough. Used Denso AC compressor. Now, let's get this in the car. Looking on the underside of the engine, you can see that we have 6 holes right there, but we're only going to be utilizing 5. See, we got our 5 holes right there. You can't see all of them, but let's get this bracket on finally. Alright, with the compressor finally on, bracket on, let's move on to the lines. But before we get to the lines, let's take out our ECU cover, the ECU, move all of this wire loom, and get a little room. Now, unfortunately, this manifold is this manifold. This is our new, to me, to us, AC line that we got off Marketplace. But the old owner, we could not get this bolt off. So we just took it off on the back side, which is deep in there. So I'm gonna try my best to see if I can either drill this out or, yeah. We'll see. Trying to drill it out, but I think the only option now is to weld this bolt to it and try to extract it. Well, fail number 1. Let's try it again. Let that cool and try again. Success. Very nice. After several minutes of trying to drill it out, ended up just welding it, a nut to it, extracting it, and honestly should have did that in the first place. Now before we put the lines on, take a little silicone spray and lube our O-ring so we're not going in dry. Well, ran into another problem. As you can see, our dowel is on the left side, both holes. One's on the left, one's on the right, and this ones are both left. So I'm glad we grabbed this piece, because unfortunately now we'll have to go in the back, unbolt this, bolt this one on, and get the line on. But, well, that's cars. Come on, snap on. Let's put this in. It's a good time to just throw our dryer in real quick before we get too far. I was gonna buy all these parts online, but I'm glad that I didn't, because I might have bought the wrong stuff. One line completely in. Bolt that dryer down. We got our little bracket, plastic bracket. Right here. Lube. That's not good. What's going on? Looks like our threads are a little gunked up, so let's fix that too. This guy and this guy. Maybe we'll chase the bolt too. Get this line in. Got 2 more lines. This guy and this guy. Don't forget to lube. There we have it. We got all of our lines in. Again, we got manifold to compressor, manifold to dryer, dryer to the non-existent condenser, and compressor to also the condenser. Now, I was supposed to have the condenser today, but unfortunately it did not show up in time. So we're gonna try and tackle a few more things, like get the hood liner in and we'll get the cowl installed. Because without the cowl, it just radiates heat in the cabin. So let's get that sealed up, we'll get the hood liner on, we'll get everything buttoned up, ready for the condenser to show up. Got it fully on. This back piece, for some reason, was upside down. I just took that, flipped it around, and this thing slid right in. Bolts on this side. I'm not gonna fully bolt this in either, because I also ordered black trim black, and we are also waiting for that. We got 2 things. What else forgot? We got a broken wiper. So let's get that off and then get the cowl on. This worked last time when we got it off the other car, so let's try a hammer and a punch. Look at that. Now let's get our cowl on. Gotta get the boring stuff done first. So we can do the exciting stuff. As boring as AC is, it is so crucial. I will not drive another BMW without AC. We're getting there though. Lines, cowl. Let's get the hood liner on real quick. Alright, forgot to hit record, but got the liner back on, got the latch back on, and I think that is it for today. I know today was kind of a boring video, but gotta get the boring stuff out of the way so we can do the fun, interesting stuff like interior, like exterior mods, with interior, you know, bucket seats, harnesses, door cards, maybe a rear seat delete, but I don't want to spoil too much because I don't know if you've seen in the background, but we do have a bunch of parts stacking up. So let's cut to some B-roll of what we did today and call it from there. At the end of the day, we did finally receive our condenser, but that also came with another problem. I found out today that we only have a single belt harmonic balancer crank pulley, so that is one other thing that we will have to get sorted before we complete our AC system. And that is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Wasn't a perfect day by any means, but we're not here to chase perfection. We're here to chase the build. We got a lot done. Cowl, the underneath of the cowl, we got our wiring buttoned up a little bit. All of our AC lines, our AC compressor, our bracket, got the dryer as well, the hood liner, and like I said, next try and get the condenser, so at least we have the system wrapped up. We'll get the harmonic balancer, and then we'll move on to the next project. So next video we will try and get the condenser in, get the system wrapped up, and then I think we're gonna move on to interior bits because we have quite a few. And from interior, we got some exterior mods, we have the exhaust to finish up, and much more. So stay tuned, appreciate you watching, and see you guys in the next one.